A doctor in Destin, Florida, removed the wrong organ and now has been charged criminally. As a medical malpractice attorney, I think there are some very important takeaways and things that people need to know so that they can protect themselves and their loved ones. The first is it's important to remember that you can look up a doctor's credentials in the state of Florida and see if they've had their license suspended, if they've been censured. You should be able to see previous malpractice suits. In this instance, this physician actually had his license, I believe, taken away in 2 other states, which is information that is supposed to be publicly available. So for any patient that's about to undergo surgery with someone that they might not know, please do everything you can to look up their credentials on the Florida Department of Health website under their practitioner profile. I think the second important takeaway, as someone who has represented literally hundreds of people that were injured by an impaired surgeon, if you notice any signs of impairment, if your family member notices signs of impairment, whether they're slurring their words, whether they are forgetful, whether it seems like they're not understand what you're saying, or when they're explaining the procedure to you, you must advocate for yourself. You must stand up for yourself, ask questions, ask a nurse, ask a circulator. If you feel uncomfortable, you should feel an absolute need to escalate the situation to speak with a charge nurse or someone in management. Do not undergo a surgery with anyone that you feel is not fully capable of performing that surgery. This is important advice that could save your life.